Okay, so good evening, everyone. I'm Riya Agarwal, a third year student of VTech in CV Raman Global University, Orissa. Welcome our guest, Ms. Monalisa Das, and all the participants here to the calendar event of the Institution's Innovation Council of CG Orissa, Bhubaneswar. Monalisa Das is currently working as a senior project engineer in Wipro and is a faculty with the Art of Living. She has more than 6 years of corporate experience, and she's a young and dynamic trainer and has trained more than 1,000 students and working professionals in the last 2 years. She's passionate about bringing transformation in people's lives through different art of living programs. She strongly believes that happiness is an integral part of a successful individual. From starting out her career in the corporate community and later reaching out to such a wide array of people through the art of living programs, her efforts are to continue reaching out to all spheres of the society. With this, ma'am, I hand over the session to you.
Thank you, Ria, for this beautiful introduction. And good evening, everyone. So, can you all hear me? Am I audible? Yes, no? And you can type in the
Yes.
chat box or.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thanks. Whenever we conduct online session, it is very essential that we check we all are, we all have good connectivity or not. And I know we all are communicating today over an online platform, but it is always good to, see each other. So if it is possible for you, I would encourage you to switch on your videos so that it will be more interactive, right? So, you know, I'd like to appreciate the effort of IICE cell, from of CV Raman, who decided to organize the session for you all. And so you all have started your journey in the engineering, right? So it is like a 4 years of fun, happiness, and so many things you're going to enjoy, and you're going to learn many things. So congratulations to all of you for starting this journey, and I wish you all the success. And in today's session is very special because you know I'm going to share few things that will change your perspective of how you study, how you learn things. So that basically it is all about that. So before I share more things, I would like to ask you one question. I want to know how many of you want to be successful in your life. आप में से कितने लोग successful होना चाहते हो? So you can raise your hands or you can type in the chat box so that I can know. आप में से कितने लोग successful होना चाहते हो? Okay, great. Okay. So I believe all of you want to be successful in life, right? So I just noticed 17 around people had raised hand. बाकी लोगों का क्या है? Don't want to be successful in life, or you're already successful, or you are not present in the session. So all of us want to be successful in life, right? ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं जो successful होना नहीं चाहता. Now tell me, what are the things? What do you feel that what you should have to be successful in life? आपके पास ऐसा क्या होना चाहिए जिससे आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो? या कॉन्फिडेंस. What else? Definitely confidence
Hard
is
work.
highly essential. Hard work, absolutely, Shantanu. What else? Keep sharing. Smart work, very smart, Sveta.
Strong
Yes,
determination.
determination. Yes, I would appreciate अगर आप type कर लो, क्योंकि so many people will try to speak at the same time. It will be very chaotic. Proper planning, absolutely. Confidence, execution, hard work, smart attitude, dedication, focus, talent, confidence. Okay. Strong determination, absolutely, Dharma. Belief, Ashutosh. Okay. Willingness, planning, absolutely. Okay, keep sharing whatever you feel. Focus. Silas mentioned about focus. Yes. Passion. Absolutely. You should be passionate about your goal. What else? Yes. You should have a goal, first of all. Okay. What else? Consistency is highly essential. Yes, you all know it. Come on, keep sharing. Love for your work. Okay. Whatever you feel that you should have. Peace of mind. Okay, Pranjal. What else? Keep sharing. Okay. So I just saw like positive attitude, highly essential. Self belief, strong concentration. Yes. Okay. What else? Okay. So I believe all of you have shared, everybody has shared what you feel that you should have to be successful in life, right? And you know, taking risk-taking ability, very right, Shubham. Okay. Being true to myself, okay, to others as well, honesty. Yes. You know, I appreciate you almost say, you almost said many things. आप सबने काफी चीजें बताई. Don't you think you also stress? Yes. Qualities. आपको तो डिग्री मिलने ही वाली है. You have joined engineering and you will study hard. और आप पढ़ाई करोगे, चिल मारोगे, you will give semesters and you are going to get your degree, right? So सबको पता है कि डिग्री तो मिलने वाली है. Okay. Okay, so somebody Ashutosh is writing nowadays degree do not match. Okay, it's matter much. Okay, so but none of you also mentioned about knowledge, right? So, this question was very interesting. The same question, the same question that what are the qualities or what are the things you require to be successful in life? The same question has been asked to the graduates of Stanford University. आप सबने स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम सुना है? Yes, no? Yes, सुना ही होगा obviously. Yes.
Yes.
So Stanford University is one of the top university in the world, right? And वहाँ के graduates, how they are. तो उनको जब ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, like all of you, they also shared. And what they did, उन्होंने ये सारे attributes को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लिया. First part was domain knowledge, the subject matter expertise. For example, आप अभी engineering पढ़ रहे हो, जो भी आपका branch हो, civil हो या फिर computer science engineering हो, you should know the basics of the subject. जो भी आपका subject है, अगर आप medical student होते, you should know. The first part was domain knowledge and the second part was soft skills. And soft skills में क्या आते हैं, जो सब आपने शेयर किया, leadership qualities, punctuality, smart work, hard work, dedication, having a clear goal, confidence, concentration, all this stuff comes under soft skills, right? And that is how, I mean, these two categories are very, very essential. Now, can you tell me, what do you think? Like out of 100%, how many percentage of domain knowledge and how many percentage of soft skills are required for an individual to be successful? आपको क्या लगता है कितना हमें डोमेन नॉलेज होना चाहिए, कितना सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होना चाहिए सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए? It can be a random guess, तो आप बता सकते हो. So 50-50, Ashutosh is saying 50-50. Okay. What else? Others? Batao. Come on, this is not an exam. You can guess. Okay. So, Pranjal, I think you are saying 100% domain knowledge and 0% soft skills. Or you can clearly mention so that I can know. 60-40. Okay. 85% soft skills, 15% domain. Okay. So, what else? Any other guesses? Okay. Hackers do not need communication. So I'm not having this session only for hackers. So many of you will be entrepreneurs, many of you are going to be engineers in different fields, right? So communication is required. There are so Dharma is mentioning domain 40% and soft skill 60%. Okay. So the answer was quite surprising. It was for me as well. The answer is, 87.5% soft skills and education. We have given all the focus like to the subject matter expertise, to the domain knowledge. अभी तक आप खुद बताओ टिल 12th हमारा पूरा फोकस आपने कहाँ पे दिया है? पढ़ाई पे दिया है, राइट? इन योर स्कूल्स जो भी या फिर कॉलेज में अगर आप गए हो तो पूरा फोकस हम यही पे रहते हैं कि कैसे हमारे पास मार्क्स आए, कैसे अच्छा एक परसेंटेज आए, कितना हम नॉलेज गेन कर सके. वी हैव हार्डली गिवन फोकस ऑन developing our personality or having these soft skills, right? Am I making sense? So but when you get into the real world, when you really work, so there are a lot of things you realize that knowledge, apart from knowledge, the other things also matter. Even if you think about innovation, even if you think about creativity, that is also part of soft skills only, right? If you need a mind to think, right? And if you really think in a deeper way, you will realize all these soft skills comes from our mind only. If you are confident from the level of your mind. Creativity, like leadership qualities, all these things have come from your mind only. So if you know how to handle your mind properly, then only you can really have these skills. These skills are already there. It is not like you will acquire something from outside, it is already inside you. But you need to handle your mind. You need to know how to hack your mind, right? So I'll share more details about it. But since all of you are students, like I have taken sessions for corporate professionals, for students, and for government professionals. So for particularly for you, I will say three things are highly essential. It's not that other attributes, other soft skills are not required. They are equally, they are also required. But three things are highly essential for you guys. The first one is concentration. Because अभी आप सब क्या हो, अभी आप सब students हो, right? To gain knowledge, to become a subject matter expert, you have to have a better concentration. अगर आपके पास focus नहीं है, concentration नहीं है, तो आप जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हो आपको याद ही नहीं रहेगा, right? You won't be able to understand it. या आप उसको grasp नहीं कर पाओगे properly. So you should have concentration first. Then second is confidence. You should have definitely confidence. So it doesn't matter आपको कितना पता है, अगर आप communicate नहीं कर पाते हो, if you're not able to present yourself properly, the HR is not going to hire you. Like many of you are going to sit for an interviews, and वहाँ पे technical round के बाद एक HR round भी होता है. There they see you, they judge you based on your personalities, your confidence level, right? So you should also have confidence. And the third C is clarity of mind. You should be clear that what you want from yourself. Like where are you heading? What is your clear goal? Then only you can work towards it, right? So I will discuss about it. So I'll first start with concentration. So मुझे अभी बताओ, आप लोग अभी हो एंड आपका आपकी क्लासेस अभी चालू हैं. मान लो आपको आज नोटिस आता है कि 2 महीने बाद आपके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स है, एंड आपको ऐसे शेड्यूल भी आ जाता है कि इस तारीख को फिजिक्स है, उसके 2 दिन बाद केमिस्ट्री है. सो व्हाट विल बी द फर्स्ट थॉट इन योर माइंड? आपको आज ही शेड्यूल मिलता है तो आपके दिमाग में पहली चीज क्या आएगी? Okay, voice is lagging. Abhishek, am I clear? Or shall I check my internet?
Sometime it's lagging.
Okay, so pardon me. Okay. Okay. So you tell me कि पहला चीज दिमाग में क्या आएगा अगर आपको अभी खबर आती है कि 2 महीने बाद आपके सेमेस्टर से और आपको ऐसे शेड्यूल आ जाता है? Tell me. क्या सोचोगे आप? कम ऑन शेयर। एक्चुअली में है। ओके, तो जब आपको शेड्यूल आया तो क्या आया दिमाग में? तो आशुतोष बोल रहे हैं म्यूजिक सुनूंगा। ओके ओके, अभिषेक टोल्ड द राइट थिंग, 2 महीने हैं अभी। ओके, पैनिक। ओके, सिलेबस के हिसाब से चिल या फिर ओके। ओके, ग्रेट। ओके, राइट। तो यूजुअली क्या होता है ना, लेट मी शेयर, लाइक जब भी हमें व्हेन यू देयर आर लाइक 2 मंथ्स या फिर 1 महीने बाद आपको कुछ करना रहता है, सो यू फील चिल। आपका दिमाग बोलता है चल अभी 1 महीना है, 2 महीना है, राइट। लेकिन 2 दिन बाद आपके एग्जाम्स है, तो उस टाइम आपका माइंड कैसा रहता है? हाउ इट इज, इट्स लाइक हाईली, मतलब एक प्रेशर कुकर के जैसा होता है, एकदम स्ट्रेस्ड होता है कि 2 दिन बाद एग्जाम से, कम ऑन लेट स्टडी। अगर अभी पढ़ाई नहीं किए तो गया, बैक लग जाएगा, एग्जाम खत्म हो जाएगा पूरा, राइट। सो दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस। सो 2 months before the exam your mind is absolutely relaxed, आपका दिमाग रिलैक्स्ड होता है, बट इट इज नॉट फोकस्ड। आपका पढ़ाई में फोकस नहीं होता। एंड 2 days before the exam your mind is focused। 2 दिन पहले आपके घर के पड़ोसी में कहीं पे शादी वादी हो रही है, ढोल नगाड़े बज रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि नहीं अभी मुझे पढ़ना है। या फिर एक रात पहले सुबह एग्जाम है और आप पढ़ रहे हो आज, तो क्या रहता है, पूरा फोकस रहता है पढ़ाई पे। सो दैट फोकस इज देयर, बट द माइंड इज एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रेस्ड, एकदम दिमाग खराब होता है। So, concentration is a beautiful combination of a relaxed and focused mind. When your mind is focused and relaxed at the same time, that is what मैं कौन हूँ. So you can check with your faculties, so they will tell you. And the second thing is that, just one night before the exam, your mind is focused and relaxed, not relaxed. So that is not also concentration. So first realize this is concentration is when your mind is focused and relaxed at the same time. And it is possible. अब मुझे बताओ, when you do something that you really love, जो भी आपका हॉबी है, या फिर अगर आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो, उस टाइम योर हाउ इज योर माइंड, इट इज फोकस्ड एंड रिलैक्स एट द सेम टाइम। या फिर कोई एक सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, आप पढ़ते हो, तो उस समय आपका माइंड कैसा रहता है? यू रियली एंजॉय दैट सब्जेक्ट, सो योर माइंड इज फोकस्ड एंड रिलैक्स्ड। एंड द थर्ड एग्जांपल, अगर आप नेटफ्लिक्स में कोई मूवी देख रहे हो, सो योर माइंड इज फोकस्ड एंड रिलैक्स एट द सेम टाइम। तब आपको कोई थोड़ी बोलता है कि पूरे फोकस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ मूवी देखो, नो, you know it, so the concentration is already there. The only thing is that you don't know how to handle your mind. कभी आपका माइंड एकदम चिल मोड में होता है, या फिर कभी एकदम प्रेशर कुकर के मोड में होता है। सो व्हेन यू नो हाउ टू हैंडल योर माइंड, then you can have that concentration, right? So I'll speak more about it. So let me give you some tips about learning, how you can learn in a better way, like to be successful in life when you get into in IT industry or any other career. So the industry is changing very rapidly, so you have to stay up to date. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आप सिर्फ अभी पढ़ाई करोगे 4 साल में, इसके बाद भी आपको बहुत कुछ पढ़ना होगा. So you should always have a learning ability, a good learning ability. So Abhishek, can we have the slide please? Okay. Yes, next slide, please. Okay. So here is my introduction. I am a senior project engineer at Wipro, and I'm an Art of Living faculty. I take different courses in India. I do my codings. Along with that, I train people. So okay, thanks. Yeah. So let's understand few interesting facts about human brain, right? So our brain has like 100 billions of neurons. of neural activities keeps on happening in our brain. So our human brain is very, very complex. And science has reached up to something called human brain, but mind is much, much more complex than human brain also, than human brain. So, our brain keeps on developing till late 40s. Like it's not that our brain does not develop, it keeps developing. And also the brain tissues die. Whenever your mind is stressed, whenever you're under stress, the brain tissues die, right? Next slide, please. Abhishek, next slide. Yes. So this is very essential that your brain uses 20% of the total oxygen and blood in your body, right? So that is why it is very much essential, because lack of oxygen can lead to, permanent damage in the brain. Next slide, Abhishek. Yes, there you see. Lack of oxygen in the brain for 5 to 10 minutes can result permanent damage. So that's why, it is very essential that you do some breathing exercise, some exercise to, so that your brain should have adequate oxygen. Next slide. Yes. So now let's understand how learning happens. So usually we learn through different senses, like when we see something, when we hear something, when we test, we touch, we smell, or through efforts like through reading, writing, teaching, having a discussion, or through different emotions, we learn, right? This is how learning happens. So it is, the research says, like whenever you see something and you learn, you tend to remember 10% of it. When you hear something and you learn, you tend to remember 20% of it. When you see and hear together, like it's an audio visual thing, you tend to remember 50% of it. And when you discuss with someone, like whatever you have learned, you remember 75% of it. But when you teach something, there are chances that you remember 95% of it. You have learned something, or you have studied something and you teach it, you remember 95% of it. Next. Okay. So you have around 70,000 thoughts in a day. So you can see like so much of activities keeps on happening in our brain. Like 70,000 thoughts in a day, it's huge, right? Next slide. Okay. So this is what you need to understand. So whenever we learn something, what happens? Like, like if some of you have studied biology a little bit. So we have neurons and we have something called dendrites. So whenever you learn, you gather some information, your brain forms an electrical circuit inside your brain, right? Through the neurons, it forms an electrical circuit. So a new brain connections are created every time you form a memory, every time you learn something. And whenever you learn it again, whenever you repeat it, the circuit becomes even stronger, right? The circuit becomes even stronger. So next slide. Yes. So फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू आर ए किड, जब आप छोटे बच्चे थे तो आपको कोई से पूछता था कि आपका नाम क्या है. सो द फर्स्ट, लाइक व्हेन योर मदर और कोई भी आपको घर में आपको बताता है ईसा और आशुतोष, तो अगर आपको कोई पूछता तो स्टार्टिंग स्टार्टिंग में आपको बताने में दिक्कत होती थी. देन यू कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग इट. जब आपकी मेमोरी में वो स्टोर हो गया, द सर्किट बिकम्स सो स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट अगर आप अभी नींद में भी रहते हो, कोई आपको ऐसे उठा के पूछता है नाम क्या है, तो सडनली यू जस्ट से इट, even if your brain is subconscious, right? So you can say it. So whenever you repeat something, whenever you learn something again and again, the circuit becomes stronger. So it actually deposits a fatty layer over that neural circuit, and it becomes a stronger memory in the brain. Now what happens usually, I have seen students, they just study one night before the exam, वो एक रात पहले ही पढ़ते हैं, and they just repeat the same thing again and again 10 times, 20 times. this is not a good way to remember. This is not a good way to form a circuit. So what you can do, for example, you study something today, then you study it again tomorrow and take a break, then you study after 2 days. The circuit that way becomes more stronger. So repeating something 20 times a day is not good. Rather, repeating it 5 times in different days is better, right? Okay, next. Next slide, Abhishek. Okay. So forgetting is good for the brain. Deleting unnecessary information helps the nervous system retain its plasticity. Now, what is actually forgetting? So whenever a memory is formed, I mentioned an electrical circuit is formed, right? So forgetting means that circuit becomes little fuzzy. So when you forget something and you realize you have forgotten that and you study that same thing again, then what you do, you just again, make that circuit stronger. Like whenever you read it again, you make that circuit stronger, right? So in that sense, forgetting is good. So because you again go through the same subject and you make that electrical circuit, that memory even stronger. Now another thing is that deleting unnecessary information. Now what are these unnecessary information? These are, emotional garbages. Like many times you experience anxiety, you experience anger, frustration, depression. It is, and it has a very bad impact on your memory, on your brain, right? So flushing out these negative emotions is very essential. So when you flush out these things, you get a healthy and clean brain, and it is definitely more productive. Okay, so next slide. Yes, how to deal with procrastination. So procrastination का क्या मतलब होता है? Procrastination का मतलब होता है टालना, you know. So जैसे कि in your, अगर आपके brain के हिसाब से मैं बताऊं, like whenever you are supposed to do something and your brain comes up and tells you that no, let's not do this, this is not interesting, let's do something else. For example, you have to submit an assignment. आपको physics का कुछ assignment करना है and you're just supposed to go and do it, and suddenly आपको लगता नहीं, मन नहीं है, let's not do it, let's watch a movie on Netflix, right? This is procrastination, and this is very very dangerous. मतलब I tell you, this thing can actually ruin your career. अगर procrastination को deal करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So what you can actually do here, your brain, your mind wants to fool you. You have to rather fool your mind or fool your brain. So what you should do, you should tell that, okay, anyways I have to submit the assignment, anyways I have to do this physics assignment, so do it now, right? For example, you have to study physics. It is a very, it's a entire book. So I'm not saying that read that entire book on one go. No, just study like one chapter or maybe 10 pages. Just do it. Just do it that time and take a break and reward yourself for doing that. Like do something like you like, or you eat something that you really like. So that way you reward yourself. So what will happen? So it will create a memory in your brain. Whenever you are doing a physics assignment or studying physics, you reward yourself and you feel good. So next time your brain will encourage you to do that. Okay. Now taking a break is very essential. Whenever you study, you should take a break. So I've seen students studying for 6 hours in a go. It is of no use. Like it is really bad. Rather, you should study for 1 hour. You take some break, then you again study, then take a break. It is better. It is always better to give a break, right? So what happens? We have a focused, like kind of, like when you are really working on something, your brain is highly focused. So it's your conscious brain is working at that time. Like when you take a break, your subconscious brain, your subconscious memory starts working at that time. So it assimilates the information, right? So taking a break is always good. Next slide. Okay. So, you know, this is like this is a very effective way to learn things. So first thing is that it is good to write. So I know many people type, but don't type. It is better to write. If you write, because what it is simply that when you write, it creates a stronger memory. The circuit becomes even stronger. Then practice, recall, and test. So whatever you have studied, you need to practice. When you share, you discuss, right? You practice and you remember, like do a self-analysis, how much you've understood the subject, and you test yourself. Keep asking questions to yourself. And intertwine का मतलब क्या है? Intertwine मतलब changing subjects. Like don't just study one subject in a day. पूरा दिन आप फिजिक्स या पूरा दिन केमिस्ट्री पकड़ के बैठे हो तो that's not good. Like what you should do, like you study physics for 1 hour, take a break, then study chemistry, take a break for around half an hour, then do some mathematics, then take a break. So that way what happens, you study, then when you take a break, your subconscious brain assimilates the information. Then when you another subject, so it is always good. It is always good to intertwine. Then discuss and teach. So you already know the reason I shared in the beginning. When you discuss a subject, when you discuss whatever you have learned, you tend to remember 75% of it. When you teach, like you tend to remember 95% it. So, you can always do that. Like you can teach your friends. Like you study one chapter and when you teach them, you actually understand the subject in a better way. Okay. Next slide. Okay, so we'll come to the hacks later on. You can stay here, Abhishek. You can drop the slides. Okay, so people are asking me how to get a job in Google. So you can Google it, how to get a job in Google. Yeah. So, the entire objective of today's session was to make you aware that, if you can handle your mind in a better way, you can really, really perform well. You can utilize your brain, you can be more productive. Okay. So this was all about, enhancing your learning abilities. It was all about having a better concentration. Now let's understand the second C, that is confidence, right? So now genuinely tell me, how many of you have this issue of stage fear? कितने लोगों को कुछ शेयर करने से पहले, प्रेजेंट करने से पहले डर लगता है? Genuinely tell me. कितने लोगों को स्टेज फेयर का इशू है? ओके, तो जिन लोगों को भी है, इट्स ओके, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा होता है एंड यू कैन रियली वर्क, राइट? एंड इसके ऊपर काम करना बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस इज हाईली एसेंशियल, right? You remember I mentioned about HR interviews. Many times there are stress interviews, so where they check your confidence level. So confidence के ऊपर काम करना बहुत जरूरी है. Now let me give you one scenario. Confidence is, it's simply that having that lack of faith in you, right? And if you see how is the tendency of mind, when your mind is under stress, it tends to remember negative things. You always doubt your capabilities. आप देखना, आप हमेशा, आपको वो श्योर होता है कि मुझे क्या नहीं आता. इफ यू डोंट नो स्विमिंग, यू आर वेरी श्योर दैट आई डोंट नो स्विमिंग. बट अगर आप कुछ करते हो, यू ऑलवेज डाउट, मुझे ये 100% आता है क्या, मुझे पूरा आता है क्या. यू डाउट योर कैपेबिलिटीज. You doubt a honesty of a person. You don't doubt a dishonesty of a person. अगर कोई आके आपसे अच्छे से बात करता है तो आप क्या बोलते हो, ये इतने अच्छे से क्यों बात कर रहा है, जरूर इसको कुछ चाहिए, right? For example, I'm just giving one example. So for example, I can see Rohan's name here. So so dharma is coming to, अभी तो कोविड के वजह से सब बंद है. मान लो जब क्लासेस खुल गए, you have come to college and you Dharma met Rohan for the first time and they had a very nice interaction, right? तो उन लोग की अच्छी बात होती है. फिर धर्मा जाके ज्योति रंजन से मिलता है, धर्मा ज्योति रंजन को बोलता है रोहन इज अ वेरी नाइस गाय. तो फिर दे जस्ट हैड दिस इंटरेक्शन. फिर कुछ होता है, मान लो धर्मा रोहन के बीच में थोड़ा सा झगड़ा हो जाता है, फिर जाके वो ज्योति को बोलता है रोहन इज अ वेरी बैड गाय. फिर कुछ बोलता है. तो यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, व्हाट वी इजीली एक्सेप्ट, अगर कोई बोलता है वो बुरा इंसान है या बदमाश है, हाँ मुझे तो लगता ही था, वो स्टार्टिंग से सही था, राइट? It happens that way. Another example I'll give here. For example, Shantanu has gone for a party. वो किसी एक फ्रेंड का घर में कुछ बर्थडे है और कुछ तो सेरेमनी है, वो वहां पे गया एकदम पार्टी में, एकदम रेडी होके, वेल ड्रेस्ड, लुकिंग वेरी स्मार्ट, एंड ही हैज गॉन फॉर द पार्टी. एंड वहां पे उसको बाकी दोस्त भी मिलते हैं, एवरीबडी कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड हिम, यू आर लुकिंग वेरी स्मार्ट, यू आर लुकिंग वेरी हैंडसम एंड यू आर लुकिंग रियली ग्रेट ब्रो, ऐसे बोलते हैं सबको उसको, यू नो ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी। एंड सडनली क्या होता है, सडनली यश मिलता है उसको, एंड यश उसको बोलता है यस नहीं यार शांतनु ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तेरे पे, इट इज नॉट लुकिंग दैट नाइस, ये क्या पहन लिया तूने। सडनली क्या होता है, यू नो दैट यू नो ऑल दैट एंथुसियाज्म गोज डाउन, मतलब खत्म हो जाती है वो। फिर शांतनु को लगता है अरे यार क्या हो गया अभी, यू नो। सो दिस इज टेंडेंसी ऑफ माइंड अंडर स्ट्रेस, लाइक यू get 10 compliments, you forget that, you remember one comment। आप देखना, मतलब एक झगड़ा होता है फिर 5 साल की दोस्ती लोग भूल जाते हैं और याद रखते हैं उसने ये बोला था वो, राइट। सो this happens, so this is the tendency of mind। So you all also, like lack of confidence is that doubting your abilities, you know, आपके खुद के कैपेबिलिटीज एबिलिटीज को डाउट करना। बट देयर आर ट्रिक्स, डोंट वरी, देयर आर ट्रिक्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, you are going for an interview, you are feeling nervous, what should you do, right? And you are going to give a presentation, because you are going to give, like आप लोग जब भी corporate world में जाओगे, you have to give presentation, you have to give lot of presentations। तो वहां पे अगर आपको nervousness हो रही है, so what should you do? There are a lot of tools and techniques, right? So that you can learn। And the third thing is clarity of mind. This is very essential, where many of the engineers particularly fail, because they don't realize what they want from their life, you know. So having a clarity, having a clear goal will make you successful। Now, for example, you are traveling from one city to other city, and there is a lot of traffic in the road। अगर वहां पे काफी ट्रैफिक है तो आपको वो डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचने में टाइम लगेगा। यस, सिमिलरली अगर आपके दिमाग में बहुत ट्रैफिक है, so you will not able to focus, you will not able to take, you know, better decision, rather correct decisions, right? So having a clear traffic, having a clear I will say clear brain is also essential, clear mind is also essential, right? And flushing out this negative emotions and you know, being stress free will help you in that, okay? So now let's understand the hacks, like how you can have a better mind, how you can have better productivity। So there are few hacks which are very essential, you should know about it। So can we have the slides again, Abhishek? Thank you। Yes, so the first hack is exercise, you know. So you remember I said, like our brain tissues die when you get stressed. Similarly, you know, we have something called hippocampus in our brain. So whenever you do some exercise, it produces new brain cells, right? You know, so exercise is very, very, very essential to have a healthy body and a healthy mind as well। So it helps you take better decisions and to have better focus। So it is essential, do some exercise every day। Next slide। Sleep। Now I really want to, you know, speak about it, because many of the students at this age, they just play video games all the night and they watch movies and they do not have proper sleep। Now this is really, really bad for your brain, this is really bad for your mind, you know। So what happens actually when you don't sleep, let me share। So you know, like 70,000 thoughts in a day on an average, so much of neural activities keeps on happening in our brain, and when such neural activities happen, so you know, garbages are also produced in the brain, that is called brain shit, or that is called beta aniline। So that you know, that garbage is very bad for our mind, for our brain, you know। So much, too much of this beta aniline can leads to Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease, which is really bad। So what happens when you actually sleep? When you sleep, the interstitial space between your brain tissues increase, and we have something called cerebrospinal fluid, it flushes out, it cleanses that beta aniline। So that is for having a clean brain and healthy brain, a healthy brain। So if you are, you know, ignoring your sleep, if you're not giving proper time, Please do not do that. Sleep properly. 8 hours of sleep is essential in 24 hours. Okay. Next slide. Okay. Now the third part is meditation. Now, so many researches have been conducted about meditation, about different breathing exercises, in Stanford University, in Howard Universities, in AIMS, in MHANS, and where not, right? But many people do not meditate because they're not aware, So I'll just say, if you are not meditating, you are really missing something in your life. Start meditating, because if you see in today's world, many successful people, they meditate. It improves your productivity of your brain. It gives you an emotional balance and many more things. Your creativity improves. Your there is something called intuition. Your intuitive ability also increases. So many things, right? So meditation is always good. Also, I mentioned about breathing exercises. You remember I shared initially in the beginning, 20% of the oxygen of your brain is being utilized, of the body is being utilized here by your brain. So breathing exercises definitely helps in improving brain functionalities, right? So these are some facts. These are very scientific and you should, start utilizing it. So thank you, Abhishek. Yes. So these are some of the facts I wanted to share with you, which you can utilize. And I remember I specifically spoke about concentration, confidence, and having this clarity. You can think about it, where you are lacking and where you need to improve, right? And the thing is that it's not that अगर अभी आप में confidence नहीं है या फिर अभी आपके पास उतना concentration नहीं होता है आपको, ऐसा नहीं कि you can't be successful. You can really work on it, because as a student I remember, when I was studying, I was very good at my studies. I was a 9 pointer in my college, but I lacked confidence and I worked on it. So you know what, in CV Raman, like, it's a very very good thing that your management always encourages the student to grow in all the aspects. It's not only about studies, in every aspects, so that is an initiative of the IIC cell, that they invited us to have this session with you. And also the institution organizes every year a very special program that is called Yes Plus. It stands for Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop. And every year in CV Raman, they organize this program so that you can really work on these factors. You can really work on improving your soft skills, So this program is an amazing program. I also did this program 7 years back when I was doing my engineering, and it was great. And it is part of credit course in many top universities all across globe, like in India, in many IITs and IIMs, this programs keeps on happening. And what else I would like to share, that you guys have this opportunity to do this program, because this program happens for the first year students every year. So for the first time it is happening online for you guys, because of COVID you have not gone to your colleges, so it will be online for you all. So this program is happening from 24th to 27th of December, and it will be in the evening. So I'll share more thing about it, but before that I want to share a video, where you can see like what are the experiences of the students. And it is one of the Yes Plus experience of Presidency University. So Abhishek, can we please share it? So we'll see it first, then we'll talk more about it.
Person who was afraid to go out and do something which I liked.
People of my age, they will have problems with their parents, understanding their parents and what they think.
I had back pain, and then I had a lot of stress problem.
I think I lacked confidence, concentration.
My mind always went back and forth between the past and the present, of what I will do next and what I did.
Actually, I had communication problems first of all.
Faced a lot of difficulties, like for my exams and all that stuff.
I didn't believe that somebody can help me in this way, right? Or something can help me in this way.
like what and all I had before just changed into positive manner.
I feel like very light now. I feel much better. I haven't felt like this for like past 6 to 7 years.
What I really enjoyed in the course was Sudarshan Kriya. It was not only about the yoga sessions and all that. They really helped us in interacting with each other, because this is like the beginning of our college, so we don't know anybody around here.
I feel light about everything. I had anxiety issues. I think that's reduced in this past 4 days.
So many memories that I will carry, because I'm usually I don't share that much. But because of this course, it really helped me share all my thoughts.
I become self-confident more. Now I can speak loudly and without nervousness.
It has been a great experience and a life-changing experience, I can say from now.
I cannot express in words. It was really nice. I think I'll continue this, and it will definitely have a positive impact on my life.
It was really fun working with a group of people together and doing something, making a difference in the campus.
I think everyone should try this once in their lifetime. It's a really great experience, and I think it will get a change in your life.
Okay. So, did you like the video? Yes, no, yes, yeah. So this was like the experience of Presidency University. So there the students, like I mentioned, all across India, in many IITs, even like, in IIT Bhubaneswar, this program happens every year. It is a mandatory program for all the students, because education is not only about gathering information. It is about, having a transformation in your personality, having a broader vision, to grow in all the aspects, right? So that's why it's a very wonderful, it's a wonderful initiative by the college for all of you guys. So you all can enroll for it. And this program is happening from 24th to 27th of December. It's a Christmas special program, and it is happening in the evening, 6:30 to 9:30. So, for learning anything, for acquiring knowledge, or it can be anything. If you want to learn swimming, if you want to learn driving, for doing anything, you have to invest three things, right? You have to invest your time, you have to invest your effort, you have to invest your money. So for attending this program that is called Yes Plus Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop, you also have to invest these three things. So first thing is time. So the timing for this program will be for 4 days, 6:30 to 9. So 2.5 hours every, well, for 4 days, you have to be available. You have to invest that time, Then effort is that you have to be available. You have to, the session will be online. So you can attend the session from the comfort of your home. And it is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of learning. And I personally, I would like to mention the trainers, Mr. Sham and Ashna, who are going to teach you guys. They are super amazing. They have taken courses all across India. Like in many IITs, they have conducted this program, and they're super amazing trainers. You're going to enjoy the sessions with them, right? And money. So there is a registration fees for this program, which is 2,000 rupees. And this is a certification program. So after attending Yes Plus, after completing this program, you are going to get a certificate from the Art of Living Foundation, and it has a lot of value because the certification says that you have a decent IQ, EQ, and SQ. IQ, all of you know, it is intelligent quotient, and EQ is emotional quotient, how healthy you are on emotional level, and also social quotient. So I personally would like to invite you all for this program because this is an amazing journey. I had done this workshop in my third year of engineering. I was not fortunate enough to get it in my first year, but I did it in my third year and I enjoyed it. And one personal advice, make sure you definitely keep that certificate in your resume because it has a lot of value, right? And that's all. This is an amazing course, guys, and just go and enjoy there and learn many things. Because once again, I'll share throughout our life, like if you see in our education system, we had given a lot of value to, gathering knowledge, having that domain expertise, which is good, which is required. But along with that, we should also work on our soft skills, because you remember that ratio 12.5% and 87.5%. So we've done enough for that 12.5%. Now the time has come that we should really work on this 87.5%. Okay. So it was really nice meeting you all. And I hope you enjoyed the session. So did you learn something new today? Yes, no? Did you enjoy the session? So I hope that you have a great career ahead. You grow more and more, and just stay happy and keep learning, keep growing, and just attend the Yes Plus program. This is my personal recommendation to you all. You are going to enjoy, and this is your opportunity. Like I remember I said about the procrastination, whenever you're getting an opportunity, just grab it. Don't hold, don't wait for another chance. Every year it happens for you, just grab the opportunity. I'll say that. Nice talking to you, and take care. Okay. Okay, I just saw Abhishek's message. So you will be getting a link for attendance. Make sure you fill that up, and it will be there, like it will be active for like 5 minutes or something. So make sure you fill it right now. Yes, Abhishek has already shared it. Another thing I want to mention that for Yes Plus, we have very limited seats. There are very limited seats because it is happening online. So make sure you register for it today, because today is the last day for registration for Yes Plus. So if you are really wish to do it, you are really willing to attend this workshop, do it immediately. So the volunteers of IACE cell, the members of IACE cell, you can contact them. They can help you out in that process. And my name is Mona Lisa Das. So, and if you need any guidance from my side also, you can reach out to me. And that's all. Just attend the program. It will give you lot of clarity about your life, and I'll tell you, you'll get actually practical tools. Like for example, you're going for an interview, you're nervous, what should you do? You have a presentation ahead, what should you do, right? And for example, I have seen particularly students having this trouble. I mean, you all know that when you study, you are going to remember, but ye man nahi hota hai. There is no concentration. So what to do to have that concentration? So there are amazing tools, practical techniques that you can do to have that concentration, to have that confidence, having that clarity, and many more things. So this is a specially designed workshop for youth, for students. This is designed by two IITians, Khurshid Vatliwala and Dinesh Godke. So just come and experience that, amazing things. So thank you. So there is the registration fees is 2,000 rupees, and it's a certified program. So thank you all. Have a great evening and have a great career ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye.